Welcome to our video series on On-Time In-Full Analysis, or OTIF. In this video, we're going to take a look at a problem that companies face in the supply chain space, and how data analytics with SparkFlows can help. First, we will start by discussing the problem and a solution, and then we will take a look at a fully built example in SparkFlows. We have identified areas that can be improved using new data analytics solutions, such as SparkFlows. Most importantly, we will be focusing on defining behavior patterns, cutting the costs of putting models into production, and improving visibility into business processes. Now that we have identified the issues we want to solve using data analytics, we need tools and a platform to build and execute. This is where SparkFlows enters the picture. SparkFlows gives users of all capabilities, from data engineers to business users, the ability to control what they need. For this case study on on-time in-full analysis, we want to create a model that will predict whether an order will be received on time and in full. This model can be used to improve the efficiency of a supply chain by producing more reliable timings for an order. Modern supply chains rely on knowing when an order will be fulfilled and as little uncertainty as possible. While all suppliers will always say that your order will be fulfilled on time, this is often not true, and it is important to know when this is not true to ensure a smooth and consistent supply chain. Our solution will be built in 4 different workflows. The first will be our data preparation workflow, where we prepare the data for both modeling and data exploration. Next, we will have our data exploration workflow, where we aim to understand the different parts of our data and how it can be used more effectively. And finally,